Hey, hello guys, this is Martin from Secret, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to quick market analysis that we do daily. We look at what happened in the markets and learn from it and try to come up with a better plan for the next day. So this is analysis for March 22nd, Wednesday tomorrow, 2023, and let's dive into the charts. This is what you see here is Nifty 50 charts on daily, and you can see a green close. That's a green candle, and that's a green after so many days, right? And we also see divergence in the momentum just worked out, just lifted the market. And Banknifty, we have a little more bigger green candle, which again is closed above previous 6 candles. Nifty is closed above previous 5 candles, and it is closed above. Banknifty is closed above the 200 DMA also, and the divergence seems to have worked out. And the range shift, which is bearish in nature on the momentum, has got negated, you can say. There is a bend in the trend indicator that has happened in the Banknifty, but not on the Nifty. So that's a summary of what's in favor of the bulls. It's a gap up. That gap up is bullish, definitely. Both the lines had a gap up and a green close of 0.70 on the Nifty and 1.35 on the Banknifty. So green candle on the Nifty after 8 red candles. 8 red candles continuous, and we have a green. That's positive. 5-6 days of close. 5 days of close. Let's close above that today. Nifty. 6 days of close above. Banknifty is close above that. Previous 6 days close above that. That's definitely positive. To the crucial support zone, there is a problem. We have this 16,750, 650. That zone is a major support zone. Right, and there is a chance of a bounce up and change priority bounce that could happen, because this is a zone where a breakout might happen, where it acted as a resistance. It is acting as a support right now. Right? The Banknifty has survived and it's closed above the 200, continued to close above the 200 EMA, which is good. Weekly charts is still in the higher high pattern that you see. This is the weekly charts for the high continues to be there unless this 16,750 is breached. Until then we are fine. But in the short term we are still making lower low, lower high. That would get negated only at this previous swing high set 17,800 and 40, and obviously 42,000 nearby zones for that lower low, lower high pattern to get negated, right? So in effect, the higher high is also positive in the case of bulls. The crude is fallen to below 68 kind of levels. It's positive. And except the farm, all the major sectors are in sideways now. All the heavyweights except the IT stocks, TCS and NFI, the major 7 heavyweights. All the other major heavyweights have some on the sideways, not in the years moment. HDFC and ICICI Bank has done well. In the Reliance did 3% up more, very good up moves happened. Banknifty in general is more bullish. The PCR is above 1 portfolio ratio, 1 day ahead of the expiry. We have a PCR above 1 is good, right? And Nifty also is 0.7, it's not too far from the bottom, so it's closer to the bullish as you can say. Very short term we are talking about, and the Banknifty has climbed the sideways momentum. Nifty has not done that yet. It is resisting below RSI 40, and the trend also has taken a bend in the case of Banknifty. The strength indicator green of the ADX, it has taken a bend, right? In the case of Banknifty, so that means probably the strength is weakened. The strength of the bearishness is weakened. Right? So they're all factors that's in favor of the bulls. What's in favor of the bears? You have 11% correction. We still have no clue whether it's done or not. The last 3 months, substantial correction has happened, so probably it may lead to bigger corrections. You never know, right? So we are at that crucial. And 200 EMA is still not climbed and conquered by the Nifty. Bollinger Band's expansion on the downside is still there, which is the price actions. But the price is less than the medium's bearish biased. Momentum is still the bearish zones in Nifty. Banknifty has escaped it. And also there is a range shift that you can see in the case of Nifty. Right, that range shift indicates that the price is more, the momentum has shifted from the sideways to the and taken a support and resisting below the momentum which is taken as support is now resisting, taken a range shift of the momentum. It's a bullish and bearish range shift in the momentum concept. If you're not sure of that, check out the videos in the playlist. Technical analysis video should be having that, right? So that's something that you need to be cautious about. Nifty still has a momentum bearishness concept that's still there. trend is still negative for both indices, although the strength is a little reduced in the case of Banknifty. So lower high lower pattern still, that's what is happening in the descending wedge in the case of short-term charts. And US indices have a major event that's coming out tomorrow and or Thursday morning. Market will be interest neutral at interest rate decision is what is coming out. So volatility would be there. US market is trying to make a small rally, but you never know whether it will fizzle out or not. So that's it. So that's selling pressure, and it's in the descending wedge down, reversal downward move is what is happening last week. So that's crucial. Anything big moves happen, we have to be cautious and keep a close watch on this. FS is selling aggressive yesterday, also 2,500 crores selling today. They might have bought, probably. That has not come in, but aggressive selling since 8 days, something that's not in the favor of the boards. IT sector is not at all performed. Today also it has gone down. It's not doing well. Rupee is depreciating. USD now 82.5. The VIX is still outside of that regime of the lower. It's no longer lower. It is actually 16 today. It's 15. It is cooled off 6%, but not enough. There is fear in the market. There is that's very much evident. Since it is spiking and reverting after having touched the 11-12 kind of levels earlier. So several factors it's in favor. So it's a mixed bag, right? And it's not a time to say that we have escaped. It's just a green that has happened after some days. So some green is shown ahead of a major event that's going to happen. Come out on Thursday our markets. It's happening in the US tomorrow. So bearish is still there. There's momentum trend volatility on the market is still in the bearish zones, and it's not a time to make any decisions. So probably the support zone it may bounce from here, and then we may get some up move to happen, but it may get reach out at 7250, 7500 that zones on the Nifty and 40,000, 41,000 kind of levels on the Banknifty also. So levels to watch is 16,750, 16,650. That's a major support. The gap, Fibonacci. Multiple supports, confluence supports are there. And Banknifty similarly 37,386 will be quite far away. That's a previous swing low, so we have to keep a close watch. So global markets, if there is a recovery or relief that's happening across the US markets mainly following the Fed event announcement, then it may cheer our markets also, and then we may rally. But the question is, would we be able to take out that lower high pattern in the short term, or would we break down the weekly higher high and then that also gets negative or not is a question. So fingers crossed. So that's what my view is, and hope this helps you to get some clarity on what has to be done in the coming days. Stay out of the trade which is spiking about 20. Hedge your positions. Use the cash swing lows as opportunities to invest. Right. That's it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and share it also. We need your subscriptions. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning. Bye bye.